Hello, this is Miss Susan. Today's topic is about time 2 minutes. And our lesson is lesson 10.1. And first I have to introduce a riddle. What has 2 hands and a face, but no arms and legs? Think with me, rack your mind. What is it? Has 2 hands, face, no arms, no legs. That's a clock. Good job. And let's start our lesson. First, I have to tell you what are the hands of the clock. We have 2 hands, as we said. One short hand and one long hand. The short hand is called the hours hand, and the long hand is the minutes hand. We have 24 hours per day, and we have per hour 60 minutes. So how many hours? 24 hours. And how many minutes? 60 minutes. And that's why 24 is less than 60. That's why the hours hand is shorter than the minutes hand. Days consist of 24 hours divided to 12 morning hours, 12 night hours. So we have day and night, 12 and 12. That's why we have only 12 numbers in the clock. Each hour consists of 60 minutes. And we divide the 60 minutes into the 12 numbers in the clock that each number consists of 5 minutes, or each mark consists of 5 minutes, and this means it's resampling counting by 5. So first we start from 0 minutes, the second mark is 5, after that 5, add another 5, it will be 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. So that's the clock. We start from up. We count. Every mark give me 5 minutes, or every number give me 5 minutes. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And now let's read the time. First we read the short hand. The short hand refers to 7, so the hours is 7 and the minutes is 35. So this is 7:35, and this symbol is called colon. So 7:35, and put between the hours and the minutes something is called colon. It's 2 points over each other. Okay, if you want to describe the time by saying after or before. So for example, here we say 8 after 10, 8 minutes after 10. So just imagine me standing here above the clock, just over 12, and all the minutes that come after me is all the minutes that in front of me, and before is all the minutes that comes behind me. So we count here clockwise, and we count here the minutes anti-clockwise. So again, you would imagine me, Miss Susan, stand here above the 12, and all the minutes that come after me is all the minutes in front of me. And if you will use the word before, you will count all the minutes just behind me. Okay, so while using before or after, you have first to read how many minutes. So you count the minutes first, then you say after or before. After that you mention the hour. It's the opposite. Before, we used to read the hours first, the short hand first, then we read the minutes second. But here, if you will use before or after, you will start with minutes. Okay, let's practice. First, let's read. We read it in numbers. So we read the clock, the hours hand first. The hours hand refer to 1. Then how many minutes? Let's count by 5 to reach the certain minutes mark. So we start from up, 0, then 5, after 5, 10, 15, 20. After that, we have small marks here. We can't count whole 5. So after that, each small mark will count it as 1. So after 20, 21, then 22, then 23, and here's 23. So the time now is 1:23, and don't forget to put the colon between the two numbers, the hours and the minutes. So this means if you say after, you are standing here and you will count all the minutes in front of this point. So all the minutes here is 23, so it is 23 minutes after. What is the hour here? It's after 1. So you can write it as this way or this way, in this form or in this form. You can write it 1:23, or you can write it 23 after 1. Let's try another one. First, read the hours. It's 2 o'clock. Okay, 2. And how many minutes? Count starting from up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then each one here after 40, 41, 42, 43. So it's 2:43. If you want to use the word before, so if you are standing here, so you'll count all the minutes behind you. So let's count. Every one number is calculated as 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, and after 15 we count small marks as 1, 15, 16, 17. So it is 17 minutes before what? Before 3, not before 2. You have 17 minutes to get 3. And now read it. Form in numbers, it will be 2:43. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do the homework, page 565. Goodbye.